Welcome to training session. We have 265 sessions. We draw a number of circles and lines. By right-clicking, select the Pen command. By holding down the left mouse button, moving it, shape will move the same direction. Click right mouse button, select the Zoom command. By holding down the left mouse button and dragging it upwards, the shape becomes larger. By holding down left mouse button, dragging it down, shape becomes smaller. In Zoom command, we have several options we will learn in the next lessons. For example, when the option is Zoom command, cause a part of the shape to enlarge inside the window. Also, by selecting the resize option, it will return to original size. We drew two commands, torus and sphere. We will explain in more details in 3D section and feature. In modeling panel, select the mesh torus option. With the first click, center. With the second click, its radius is selected. Let's go to the modeling panel again. Select the sphere option. The first point is center of a sphere, and second point is radius. Very useful and practical tool of AutoCAD program called ViewCube. ViewCube is 3D visual style, standard, isometric. By clicking on direction of this cube, your shape will be displayed in exactly same direction. That's great in 3D design. To further understand the issue, tap the shade in the command panel and enter it. Our appearance is getting better. Again, using the ViewCube tool, we see different direction of the shape. We have a great command in navigation tools called Orbit. Orbit is a rotate view in 3D space. By holding left click and move mouse, you can see any direction of the shape. Thanks for watching.